Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your iPhone's screen from locking. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It can be super annoying when you're reading long articles or books on your phone and the screen keeps turning off. To stop your screen from locking, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down to and tap on Display and Brightness. Now in the Display and Brightness settings, scroll down to and tap on Auto Lock. You have the option to change the default time that your phone will lock after to 30 seconds up to 5 minutes, or you can switch off the auto lock altogether so your phone will never automatically lock itself. If you want your phone to never lock automatically, then tap Never. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.